At the same time, if you're somebody who wants to trade in the derivatives segment, future and option is something that you want to put your money into. They have a specific feature, derivatives. You tap onto this. Now all the derivative put and options, put and call options will be displayed to you along with the strike price. Yes, this information is available at the stock level in the detail menu we just figured out. But if you want to have a look at all the indices, all the information on the different stocks, this is the screen for you. You can figure out the different filters here. Option chain is one of them, price gainers and losers. Depending on your trading preference, you can filter that value for yourself. You can change the trading segment. Obviously, you can change the specific index you're interested into, and you can filter out on the dates as well. So this is the way derivative trading works, or rather analysis of derivative trading works on this app. If you tap onto this, you can have the alert setup feature. You can check out the detail of that particular stock. At the same time, you can add it to your watch list and make sure that you do not really miss out on anything that comes up new for this stock here.